Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to see solution to our exercise number 3, that is finding the sum of first n positive integers. So we'll take an integer n from the user as input, and then we'll display the sum of first n positive integers to the screen. So to calculate the sum of first n positive integers, we use the formula Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So this you should be knowing from your basic math course. So first we create a variable n which will store the value of the integer, and I am storing it as an integer value, and the input I am displaying the message enter a positive integer. Next we create a variable called nsum which will calculate the sum of first n positive integers, and this formula I have just entered here, n into n plus 1 by 2. Now we print the sum to the screen as the sum of first n positive integers is nsum. So I am using two variables n and nsum in the print function. Now let me run this code. So let us enter a positive integer 10. So this will give the value as the sum of first 10 positive integers is 55. Now let me run the code again, and let us say I give the value as -10. So this will give me as 45. So this is actually wrong, we know. So you should be very careful, like this will become 9 here and it will give a wrong answer. So you should always enter a positive integer in this code. You can also modify this code to take only positive integers, whether you enter a negative or positive integer, and you can use the absolute function to do that. So I'll leave it as an exercise to you. Thank you.